Hey guys, this is Maji from MajiTuts speaking. Just a very short tutorial on how you can remove the background colors of your color of your captions. So if you want to make it transparent and you're dealing with open captions like this big caption here, what you need to do is you will go to the captions window that I have here on the left side, and you will simply press that symbol here for background color, and then you will change the opacity next to that to 0. Once you've done that, you will see that now your captions have no more background color and the background is completely transparent. So if you are dealing with closed captions like those small ones here below, the workflow to make the background transparent is a little bit different. So make sure that the closed caption that you would like to edit is selected. Then again, go here inside of your captions window. And then also you need to make sure that the background color symbol here is selected. But then instead of changing the opacity immediately from 100 to 0, what you need to do is you have to click here on that square, the choose color square, and there, instead of setting that to 0, you will just select transparent. Once you've done that, you will see that now in the program window, your captions are perfectly transparent as well. If you did indeed enjoy this tutorial, guys, If you did indeed enjoy this tutorial, guys, it would be nice if you would subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you guys soon. Bye.